Namaste. I'm Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Today we're discussing folding space and bending light. So these concepts are pretty basic if you're a science fiction aficionado, someone who is science oriented. But let's assume that you are not, and you are curious about what is this folding space and bending light when it comes to energy transmission, energy healing. Well, we can consider when we are in direct line of sight of the person that we're giving light to, we call that line of sight. If the individual is across a great distance or what have you, then it is more difficult for us to pinpoint their actual location and how to target the light. But if we bypass the third dimension, we simply tune our attention to a higher level, just see the individual in front of you. We cross the expanse of that distance and send light to them. It appears directly where they are without traveling that distance or that time. This is folding space. Now, when we consider bending light is like, say, if I were giving light to my ear or my neck, okay, that again is line of sight. My hand is directly in front of the target. But if I were trying to give light to myself, like say my back or a part of my body where I'm in pain and I can't stretch, can't reach, well, I can allow my hand to stay stationary and using my consciousness, my visualization, guide a stream of the light to my affected area. This is bending light. When we bend light, it is just as effective as if it were line of sight. The only thing that changes is our intention. When we have a strong intention, then the light is strong. When we have deep knowledge about spiritual matters and how spiritual mechanics operates, then we have a stronger sense of the light, and the light is more powerful when it reaches the target. Now, if there are numbers, that can also increase the amount of light. But I should tell you, it really doesn't matter how many participate in the light work, simply because what a person can handle, they will receive. If they are able to handle a large volume of light, a large magnitude of light, then they will have it. And it will come through you, through that one individual. It does not require multiple individuals to overwhelm or overpower a condition or whatever the situation is. What is meant for you comes to you. If this is your challenge, you are meant to transport that much light. So, if you found any use for this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Please ring the bell for notifications, and of course share the video. Any comments you have below, how does your light worker sessions go? This is Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Namaste.